Hi, my name is Karthik and you are watching my Poddar KK Tricks and Technology. And this is C Sharp written interview question and answer series. Okay, so today I will show you how we can implement alphabet J and asterisk. Okay, so this is okay. So first we have to show the demo. Okay, I will show you the demo. Okay, this is a demo. Okay, and it is display the pattern like J with an asterisk. Okay, this is a question, so this is an answer. Okay, so how we can implement? So first, before the implementation, we have to understand actually flowchart as well as how many logic we need to implement for creating this shape. Okay, so first I will I just okay, just I will show you. Okay, just I will show you how many logic over here. Okay, so I will take a pen. Okay, so you can see over here it is a first logic. Okay, this is our first logic. Okay, and this is our second logic, and this is our third logic, and this is our fourth logic. Okay, so we have to implement one by one this all the logic. Okay, so don't worry about that, I will implement within a practical example, so don't worry, I'm just showing you how we can implement this shape according to how many logics. Okay, so first we have to understand the flow chart of this J and S and asterisk. Okay, so first I will how many columns over here we have to understand as well as it's have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is a six column start from zero index, and how many columns over here? 0 1 2 3 4 5, five column over here. Okay, so we have to create a row and column. No, we have to take a two loop. First of row and second one is column. So first I will check row. If a row less than equal to 6, so then if yes, if it match this condition, so it will come and initialize column 0. That means your column should be indexed from the 0, and it will end of this 5. Okay, so it will match. If it's match the column value also, so we have put all the logic over here for creating this shape. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will implement one by one, and I will tell you why we are using column equal to 4, row not equal to 6, and so on, so on, so. Okay, so don't worry about it. If we understand like this as a flow chart, if this condition will match, so it will print a star. If this condition does not match, that means it will print space. So where you can see in a black screen, that means it is a space. Okay, so we can implement like as a flow chart, you can see over here. So let's see in the practical example. So first I will open in a Visual Studio, just create a new project as a console application. Next, and it is a J demo, so I will name as it is. I will put name as J demo, alphabet J demo. So just creating my console application, because I will implement in the console application. So first actually we need two rows, two variables, like two loop. So first is row and second is column. So I need to we have to declare two variable like row and column. Okay, so it's very simple. And also actually we want to decorate, I know what we are implementing, so that's why we are decorating. We will decorate the questions, see what we are implementing. So how we can decorate? So it is very simple. Console write line and slash n, and also we will set a message. That message will be display the pattern like J and asterisk. Okay, and also I will go to new line. Also I will print dotted line for the decoration, look good. So just simple line. Okay, now I will implement row and column loop. Okay, so first I will create row. Okay, and I will remove from here because I already declare on the top in this app, and it would be equal to 6. Why it's 6? Because 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So row would be 6, less than equal to 6, and column 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 would be equal to 5. Just to close here. Okay, just also remove from here. Okay, so 5, like why we are putting the 5? Because start from 0, index 0 1 2 3 4 5. We need 5 columns as well. Okay, so that's it, and now we have to implement that logic over here. Why, that logic? So I will implement one by one. So I will implement first logic over here. This is my first logic. Okay, so I will put the star the whole 6 rows, but except last one. Okay, we are not putting over here, so we need to 5 star. Okay, so how we need to 5 star, like row 0, row index 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so and we are putting this star, column, what the column index is 0 1 2 3 4, 4 columns. So first we will set here over here column would be 4. Okay, let's see first example. Let's and column equal to 4, and we not put in the last row. Okay, so just exclude that row, so row not equal to 6. Okay, that's it. First logic I have implement. Okay, so just print the console line and just print star. Okay, if this condition will match, so I will print the star as like in our flow chart. If this condition will match, so I will put the star, and if does not match, that means I will put blank space. Okay, so if the more details, so you can just put bracket over this condition, else part we will put backspace. Okay, blank. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so after actually, and whenever end of this row, actually this is a column, actually this is a row and this is a column. Okay, so end of this column. Okay, in the inner loop I want to send a new line. Okay, so just for new line I just put over here just new line. Okay, that's it. And after end of this loop we have to put over here, and as well as I after end of this main loop I have to we have to set new line as well. Okay, so that's it, and I have implement uh, first logic over here. So let's see it's working fine or not. Let's see, just run it. Okay, just run. Okay, now you can see over here 0 1 2 3 4 5, not 6. Okay, so that's good. I have implement first logic over here. Now I will implement second logic. Second logic, what is our second logic? You know, it's start from our column 0 1 2 3. It will start from 3. Okay, and it start from 3 and for 3 3 4 5 and with the 5. Okay, so and start what is the start index of this, what is the row index? It's a 0. Okay, it's a 0 1 2 3, so this is a 0 index. So my logic would be, okay, just this is the first logic, so I will set up logic, put on a bracket, and I will put another logic, so just with the or condition. So my my second logic would be start from row index, row index 0, and and column start from 2. So it means it is greater than 1. That means it will start from column index 2. Okay, and it will end of the 5 index. So that means it's less than 6. It's less than 6. Okay, so I will actually put on the bracket because it is a second logic. So I will separate in the you know with the brackets. So let's see, run the application. Okay, now you can see over here, it's it's look like we have implement second one also. Okay, so now I will implement third logic. Where is our third logic? Third logic is where is column index, row index, where is row index? 0 1 2 3 4 5. So row index 5, and where we put on this star, column 0 1 2. Okay, so we have to put row index 5 and column index 2. So that is my our another logic. So with the or condition, I will match row equal where is no 0 1 2 3 4 5, 5 row, and column would be 0 0 1 2. Two column we have to put this thing. So okay, this is another logic, so we just separate as a bracket. Okay, let's see with the demo or with the practical example. Okay, now you can see it's over here, and now I want in the last star from we have to implement last logic over here in like between it is a 6 row index, but 6 row index, and how which column, like 0 1 0 1 2 3, 3 column and 6 row. Okay, so same logic we will implement as like this. So with the or, row would be 6 and column 3 and column equal 3. So I think that's it. Mostly it should be work. Let's see. Now you can see over here. Okay, you can see over here it's working, and as per our requirement, actually J shape. Now I have created a J shape in a C sharp. So that's it for this video. So let's see in a debugger point. Okay, let's see in the debugger point set the house is actually implementing. So just open and just set up the bracket, and okay, now F10, it's debugging mode. You can see over here it's now starting, and now it's creating our alphabet J. Now it's a fifth. Now it's sixth row. That is a final row in this shape. Now it's putting. Okay. Now and now you can see now it's creating, and this is a simple logic. So according to this logic, you can implement, alphabet J. It's a very simple. If you not understand, if you have any issue, any query, please make sure and please send in my comment section so that I can give the better example for understanding. So keep watching. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.